Welcome friends to another session of the Silk Route to Excel at Work. We have seen in the earlier couple of sessions as to how to format the date and time to our customized requirements. Like I said earlier, for Excel, date and time is just a number. So date and time formats, I'll just put formatted as dates, and this is without formatting, that is just a number. So all these are formatted as dates and this is formatted as a number. So if I say for Excel, the 1st of January 1900 is day 1, that is 1/1/1900. 1st Jan 1900 is day 1. Just say B3 equals A3, it is day 1. Therefore 2nd January becomes day 2. The 28th of February 1900 becomes 59. We'll come a bit further. 15th August, let us say 1947, the day India got its independence, is day 17394. Today is 22nd November. It is formatted as number. This is given as 44157. That is, it is 44,157 days since 1st January 1900. This as far as date is concerned. In case of time, we will again use the same today formula, but formatted as time. So this comes as time, and this is having number of days more. I will format the same way. The time is midnight of 22 November 2020, that is 1 second after 23:59 hours of 21st November. The day starts at 12 a.m. So when I say the present time, that is I use the now formula and then treat this as time. It is 7:45:41. So I'll try to freeze it. Let us make it 7:45:41. So this 0.32339120,370. How does this work first? This portion represents the time without the date. If I put it now, this gives me the integer portion is the date and the decimal portion is the time. After all, time is but a fraction of the day. So 7:46:16. If I format this, if I put this directly as a number, this doesn't mention the date here, just mention the time here. So now the cell B9 changes to the decimal portion of it. So how is this worked out? So 1 hour, 1 day consists of 24 hours. So when I say 1 hour is a fraction of the day divided by 24. So 1 hour is 1/24. 1/24 is a fraction. So this is formatted as a number. I'll just have to increase the number of digits here. So I'll make it, this is 1 hour in terms of days, that is 0.041667 equals 1 hour a day. So a minute is 1 hour divided by 60. I'll format all this in terms of number. 1 hour divided by 60 gives me number of minutes, that is by 11/60 is the fraction in terms of day, it is 1 minute consists of 0.006944. Same with seconds, divide by 60 gives me the time in terms of seconds. So each, now I'll put 7 minutes for 7 hours 46 minutes and 16 seconds. So how is this is, you got 2 minute decimal places here, or I'll do one thing, I'll put this in this column C, 7 46 16. So if 1 hour is 0.41667, 7 hours is C11 times A11, that is 0.291. I'll copy the same formula to these both. When I add these three, the minute fraction, the second fraction and the hour fraction, I add these three, so I get sum of B11 to B13, which is 0.32379629630, which is same as this. So this is how Excel calculates the time and dates as a numbers. For example, you calculate 13th March 1970 and today is 22nd November. So your age is this one minus this one, 1857517. It is 18,517 days since someone who was born on 13th March. Now that we have seen how Excel calculates the date and time, the next session we will actually utilize this aspect of Excel to calculate the difference in the date, the minutes, the seconds, the weeks, the months between two given points in time. Till then, have a great time. Hope you have learned something new or refreshed what you already know. Thanks for watching.